The rock band The Western Sons started as a group of friends playing music together as students at USF. Now the group has released an album and they live in Nashville and are a part of the up-and-coming rock music scene there. They're back home for a weekend concert, and today the Western Sons will play for us in Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, Western Sons.
Two days and no sunshine, waves crash. Stormy seas in between our masts. But when the morning comes, you can take the lead on the far behind. But in the moonlight, it won't take long to catch your stride. You're turning red over me. How? I guess you're ready for me now. Ooh, I had enough of all these streetlights, so you're all I need to keep me up at night. Baby, it's too late for your truth, frankly. Oh, did you leave me out just to dry, maybe? But when the morning comes, you can take the lead on the far behind. But in the moonlight, it won't take long to catch your stride. You're turning red over me. Oh, I guess you're ready for me now. Ooh, I had enough of all these streetlights, so you're all I need to keep me up at night.
Woo! Wow, that was fantastic. The Western Sons are in concert this Saturday with Matt Walden, who we heard from earlier this week, and they'll be at State College of Florida. For tickets and more information, you can go to the SCF Foundation website. Next, some native Florida animal friends stop by, but first, would you play us out to break, guys?